Let's learn the names of 20 snakes. Are you ready? Let's go.
This is a king cobra.
King cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. It can stand up and hiss loudly when it feels scared.
This is a python.
Python is a big snake that squeezes its food to catch it. It's not venomous and usually not dangerous to people.
This is a rattlesnake.
This is a rattlesnake. It has a rattle on its tail that makes noise. It shakes its tail to scare other animals.
This is a garger snake.
This is a garter snake. It is small and lives in gardens or grass. It eats bugs, worms, and small frogs.
This is a boa constrictor.
This is a boa constrictor. It wraps around animals to catch them. It is strong but not poisonous.
This is the green tree python.
This is a green tree python. It lives in trees and is bright green. It hides in branches and waits for food.
This is a black mamba.
This is a black mamba. It is very fast and has strong venom. It lives in Africa and is hard to catch.
This is a corn snake.
This is a corn snake. It is orange with fun patterns. It is safe and often kept as a pet.
This is an anaconda.
It is one of the biggest snakes in the world. It loves water and lives in rivers and swamps.
This is a ball python.
This is a ball python. When it's scared, it curls up into a ball. It is gentle and moves slowly.
This is a vine snake.
This is a vine snake. It is long and skinny, like a stick. It hides in trees and waits for little animals.
This is a sidewinder.
This is a sidewinder. It lives in the desert and moves sideways. Its tracks in the sand look like waves.
This is a sea snake.
This is a sea snake. It lives in the ocean and swims very well. It has a tail like a paddle.
This is a copperhead.
This is a copperhead. It is brown with dark spots. It hides in leaves and stays still when animals come close.
This is a tiger snake.
This is a tiger snake. It has stripes like a tiger. It lives in Australia and is very sneaky.
This is the red-bellied black snake.
This is a red-bellied black snake. It is shiny black with a red belly. It lives near water and hides in tall grass.
This is a boomslang.
This is a boomslang. It lives in trees and has big eyes. It moves slowly and has strong venom.
This is a rosy boa.
This is a rosy boa. It is soft-colored and moves slowly. It is kind and likes to hide under rocks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.